Hello, my name is Joseph Cohen, and I'm the magnet coordinator at Eagle Rock Junior Senior High School, gifted, highly gifted, and high ability magnet. At Eagle Rock, we value academics, arts, and athletics. One of the things that sets our program apart from all the other programs in the district is that we are an international baccalaureate world school. What this means is that all students, grades 7 through 10, are part of our middle years program, and then students in 11th and 12th grade have the option to join and be a part of the diploma program. In the middle years program, there are three fundamental concepts: international mindedness, communication, and holistic learning. Because they believe in holistic learning, this means that they're going to include foreign language, arts, and the design cycle into the curriculum, instead of having to choose just one of those at most other schools. The diploma program is the most rigorous pathway, which is why it is so highly coveted by universities. Students that participate in this are part of a 2-year cohort where at least 75% of their courses earn weighted GPA credits and earn college credits like AP classes. If you'd like to find out more about this program, you can join us at our IB open house tours that are in the spring. Some of the universities that our students got accepted to from the diploma program just last year and from the magnet would include these schools. Now, this is nowhere near a complete list, but this is just some of the highlights, and we see schools like this every year come out of our school. Students go to universities like this every year from our school. Eagle Rock Junior Senior High School is all about academics, arts, and athletics. We offer 18 different advanced placement classes, which you can take in conjunction with your IB classes. We also offer 7 career technical education pathways, which includes engineering, patient care, horticulture, business, graphic arts, video production, and stage production. This is the most in the state of California. After completing one of these programs, you are expected to earn a certification in that field and be ready to work in that industry day one. We also have boys and girls city and league championship sports teams with 18 teams for boys and girls. We have academic teams if you're not interested in sports, including Model UN, Academic Decathlon, Speech and Debate, First Robotics, and Skills USA. We regularly take students with Skills USA to the state level and some even to the national level. We have a marching band, jazz band, yearbook, journalism, ASB student leadership, and over 50 clubs. We are going to have something that your student is interested in, and if we don't, we'll probably make a new club that they can join. We are recognized as a California Exemplary Arts Program because we offer such a wide variety of arts, including theater, band, dance, photography, video production, animation, choir, studio art, drawing, visual art, and graphic arts. We're also a gold ribbon school, and we were named that because our state mandated test scores in English language arts and math are above the state average. And lastly, we're a Title I Academic Achievement Award school because of our success in closing the achievement gap between high and low achieving students. Again, my name is Joseph Cohen, and I'm the magnet coordinator. You can reach me by email at joseph.cohen@lausd.net, or you can call my office 323-340-3576. Our website is www.erhs.la. I look forward to seeing you all next year and can't wait to meet you.